बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. I hope I am audible to everyone and the screen is shared with everyone. Is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Okay. So let's start with today's session. As yesterday we discussed some of the basics of the circuit summer course, and today we are also going to do some of the activities. Okay. So let's explore together. So objectives of today's session are that by the end of this session, students will be able to improve their vocabulary. And today we'll learn the use of modal verb can, how you can use this modal verb can in your speaking. And then your listening skill will be improved and you'll be able to think critically. You'll be given certain activities and you'll be able to think critically. Okay, so let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. We'll start our today's session with this interesting activity, right? You have to observe the picture closely and you have to choose the odd one out, right? There are four pictures in front of you, right? You have to observe them and you have to tell me odd one out. And how you have to answer, you have to raise your hand. You can either raise your hand like because some of the students their cameras are on. Okay, Asmara wants to answer. Yes, Asmara, please unmute your mic and answer me.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Hello.
Yes, Asmara.
Hello.
Asmara, I can hear you,
Assalamualaikum,
beta.
ma'am.
Walaikum assalam.
Okay. Ma'am, the car is odd one out.
Very good. The car is odd one out. How you came to know that the car is odd one out? Can you please explain it to me?
Ma'am, because they are four pictures we have here:
Hmm.
trouser, car, and jacket and socks.
Hmm.
So, trousers, jacket, and socks. These both are where these all are things we can wear, and car we can drive, not wear.
Okay, that's very good. Very well done. We have four objects over here: trousers, car, jacket, and socks. All these three items, trousers, jacket, and socks, these belong to clothing. But car is the different one. Very well done, Asmara. So car is the odd one out. Okay. Now let's move towards the next slide.
Ma'am, can I?
Yesterday, we did this activity of self intro. That was a bit brief activity. Today, again, you people have to introduce yourself, and I have designed this slide for you, so you may introduce yourself a bit more. Okay. Yesterday, you just told me about your name, about your age, your class, and your hobbies. And today, you have to tell me like something else about you. You have to tell me about your siblings, your parents, about your subjects, your favorite color, and what do you want to become. Okay. So this is again a self introduction activity. So you have to tell me about yourself. Okay.
Miss,
So
can I?
yes, Hadia. Yes,
Miss,
you have to answer me
can I?
turn wise. Okay. So Hadia will start it. Hadia, unmute your mic.
Ma'am, I
This
un-
slide will help you to introduce yourself. Okay.
my name is Hadia.
Mhm.
I'm
You may say my name is Hadia or I am Hadia. Both are fine. Okay.
I'm Hadia. I live in Tatral.
Hmm.
I live in Lahore.
All other students are
8 years.
requested to please mute your mics. Yes, Hadia,
I
please.
am grade 3.
Hmm.
My school name is Foundation School Tatral. I
Hmm.
have no brother and no sister. My
Okay.
father is my father is a teacher. My mother is a ma'am. My favorite subject is art. My favorite color is pink and purple.
Hmm.
My hobbies are drawing. I want to become a doctor.
You want to become a doctor. That's great. Very well done.
Miss, may I?
Yes, sure. It's Anaya, I guess.
My name is Anaya. I live. Um,
Yes, Anaya.
okay. My name is Anaya. I live in Lahore. I am 11 years old. I am in grade 6. My school name is Patur Marif. I have 3 elder brothers and no sister.
Okay.
My father is the GM
Hmm.
and my mother is housewife.
Hmm.
My favorite
Okay.
subject are maths and my favorite color is pink. My hobbies are cycling and reading.
Hmm.
I want to become a doctor or a army officer.
Okay, that's very good. Good to hear from you. That's very well done. Okay, now it's turn of Asmara. Now Asmara will introduce herself. This is Mara Beta. Unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Asmara. I am Asmara. I live in Lahore.
Hmm.
I am 10 years old. I am in grade 5. My school name is BHZ Block. I have one brother and no sister. My father is a electrician and my mother is a housewife. My favorite subject is arts and English and my favorite color is black and my hobbies are reciting Quran and I want to be a artist.
Want to become an artist. Okay, that's good. Very well done. That's great.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's turn of Nasreen. Nasreen, beta, unmute your mic. Unmute your mic and introduce yourself.
Vishal, I live in
Beta, you need to be loud. You're not audible.
My name is Mishal Zara. I am Mishal. I live in Tausa Sharif. I am 8 year old. I am in
What is the name of your school? Yes, please. I guess there is some internet issue at her side. Okay. Anybody else who wants to introduce
yeah.
himself or herself?
I
Yes, beta. Yes, please. Yes, beta. Nasreen. Is it Nasreen there? What was your name? Okay. Is there any other student who wants to introduce himself or herself?
My name is Mishal Zara.
Vishal.
I live in Tausa Sharif.
Okay.
I
What is the name of your school? Mishal.
my school name is the country school. I have one brother and two sisters.
Okay.
My father is engineer. My mother is a teacher. My favorite subject are computer. My favorite color is yellow. My hobby is math. My hobby is
Okay.
math. I want to become a doctor.
Want to become a doctor. That's good. Very well done. Okay. Is there any other kid who wants to introduce himself or herself? Naima, Fatima, Maria Khurram. Okay, let's move towards the next slide. Okay, over here, you will listen a song and then you have to tell me that what can you do? Okay, you will observe in this song, you will observe that what are the activities that can be done by you. So the title of the song is also what can you do. So listen the song and enjoy it. You have to tell me that either this song is audible to you or not. Okay, you can just answer me in chat. Can you listen to the song?
Yes, I.
Is it audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's
I can. I can.
good.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can. Yes, I can. I can jump, jump, jump like a kangaroo. I can swim, swim, swim like a whale too. I can walk, walk, walk like a tall giraffe. And like an ostrich, I can run. Yes, I can. I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can. Yes, I can. I can crawl, crawl, crawl like a jungle snake. I can sleep, sleep, sleep like a sloth all day. I can fly, fly, fly like a bird in the sky. And like a monkey, I can climb. Yes, I can. I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can. Yes, I can.
Okay, now you have to tell me what can you do? Okay, you can take idea from the video as well, and you can just tell me that what can you do? What are your activities or what can you do? So,
Ma'am, can I can
yes,
run, I can walk, I can jump, I can swim, and I can I have I can um, I have to
okay, very good.
um,
Very well done, Anaya. Very good.
welcome.
Yes, Hadia.
I can sleep, I can crawl, I can run, I can walk,
Hmm.
I I I can swim.
Okay, very good. What else can you do?
Ma'am, can I?
Who is there? Is this
Ma'am,
Asmara? Asmara?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
ma'am. Can I?
Yes, please.
I can, ma'am. I can paint. I can draw, and I can cook, and I can,
That's
and I
great.
can play the song, and I can, बस
Okay, that's very well done. So Asmara
May
can
I?
do different things. Yes, sure.
Ma'am, I have some more ideas. I can sleep, I can paint, and I can sleep, I can eat, and I drink
Okay, okay, that's very well
that.
done. So you can do a lot of
May I?
things. Yes, sure. Sure, Hadia.
Hmm, My name, I can cook, I can sleeping, I can playing,
Hmm.
I can speech, I can jumping.
Okay, that's good. Hadia can do a lot of things. Yes, Nasreen, unmute your mic. Who is there with the name of Nasreen? What can you do?
मैम मैम अभी मैंने बताया.
Okay, okay, you're done. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. Okay, okay, that's very well. That's very good. Now we have to see. Okay, yesterday we discussed about the morning routine and the daily routine. So who will tell me about his or her daily routine today? Are you people enjoying holidays nowadays?
Yes. Ma'am,
All of you?
please.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Most of you, I guess. Hmm? You're on
Can
vacations.
I
Yes,
tell
Hmm.
you about
So,
my daily routine?
okay, please, whenever you have to participate, just tell your name and then participate because some of the students they are not there with their own names. So just tell your names and then to participate. Is it Anaya? Is it Anaya?
Yes.
Okay, yes, Anaya, beta.
Yes, I am an I.
Yes, Anaya. Can you please tell me about your daily routine nowadays?
Okay. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth and take shower. Then I do breakfast. Then I go school 8 o'clock, and then at school 8 o'clock. Then I come from school 2 o'clock. Then land. I eat my meal at 3 o'clock. Um, then I do study. I go to academy at 4
Hmm.
p.m. Then I come 6 p.m. Then I eat some snacks. Then I play outside. Then when
Okay.
then uh, I do the I take my meal at 8 o'clock. Then I have to take my 9 o'clock. Then I will take shower and brush my teeth, and I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Okay, that's very good. I would appreciate if Fatima, Naima, and
And this
who
is
hasn't
my daily
participate
routine.
yet, if Fatima and I also participate, because I want to make this interactive
can
session, na?
I?
Sorry?
Yes, sure.
Can I?
Yes, sure. Everybody has to speak because this is an interactive session and I want to make it really an interactive one. So everybody speak because the purpose is just to make you people speak to improve your language skills, na? So try to speak no matter what, like either it is right or wrong, you just have to participate. Like you even you speak
Ma'am,
just
I
a
can't
single
listen you.
sentence. So try to speak, please. Okay. Okay. Now, Hadia.
Sorry,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can
Your voice is
Yes, Hadia, will you
hello.
share your routine?
I woke up in the morning?
Okay.
I I I brush my hair.
Okay, good.
I ready and I wash my face. Then I play with my chickies
Okay.
and
And when do you take
and
your
eat
breakfast?
and I eat.
Okay.
After that I watch TV
Hmm.
and I turn off the TV and play again.
Mm-hmm.
When I I homework
Hmm. Then do you,
and
okay.
and when my homework is complete I play, and when it's evening I eat my dinner.
Okay.
I play after dinner, and when it's night I sleep.
Okay, that's very good. Now it's Aspara's turn to tell about her routine.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first I wake up on 5 o'clock, and
Mm-hmm.
I and every day I uh, 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 fajr
You
fajr,
offer your Fajr
and
prayer.
I will offer namaz fajr, and then I will again sleep, and then on 1 or 2 o'clock, and then I wake up on 1 or 2 o'clock,
Okay. After that, you
and
take your
then
lunch.
and then I and no ma'am, and then I take my breakfast, and
Okay.
after that I watch some TV and cartoons,
Mm-hmm.
and then it's time of my lunch, and then I do my lunch, and after that I again watch TV, and then on 7 o'clock, my Qari Sahib come to will come to my
Mm-hmm.
home, and then I recite Quran, and
Mm.
then I will take your class, and then I will take my dinner, and sleep at 9 or 8 o'clock.
Okay, so Smara is really enjoying her holidays. Hmm? Okay, that's good. What about Nasreen and Naima? Will you please share your routine with us?
Okay, may
Nasreen,
I?
Hadia, beta, you are done with it, with this activity. Hmm? So I think we should move towards the next one. Hmm? Yesterday, we were left with a story because we had shortage of time yesterday. So today you have to complete your story, and after that there will be an activity to do. Okay? So enjoy your story first, and then at the end there will be an activity. Okay? Are you ready to watch the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's enjoy it. Let's enjoy and learn. You don't have just to watch it and enjoy, but you also have to learn it. Focus on the vocabulary and the way the words are pronounced. Okay.
Little Fox.
Teddy's Day. Teddy is happy. Teddy is angry. Teddy is sad. Teddy is thirsty.
I want water.
Teddy is tired. Teddy is hungry. Teddy is sleepy. Good night.
Sad, sadder, saddest. Timmy is sad. Aunt Tara is sadder. Mr. Tan is saddest. Mr. Tan needs a hug. Stan's shoes are old. Sarah's shoes are older. Sam's shoes are oldest. Sam needs new shoes.
Don't be sad, be happy. It's a sunny day. Don't play inside. Play outside. It's her bike. Don't be mean. Be nice. It's an accident. Don't fight. Be friends. Surprise! It's your birthday. Don't be sad. Be happy.
So, kids, have you enjoyed the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
Okay, now we have an activity over here. You have to describe the picture. Okay, and you will be given 1 minute to describe it. Okay, look at the picture closely and describe it in your own words. Okay, Asmara wants to describe it. Yes, yes, Asmara.
Yes,
Un-
ma'am.
Unmute your
Ma'am,
mic.
there is a boy.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am, there is a boy which is looking at a girl which is riding on a horse, and
Hmm.
they both are in a park on or a village,
Hmm.
which have a border of wood, and to 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 have a horse riding,
Hmm.
and flowers, and so much grass and greenery, and they both are happy to see others, and the girl is so happy to have a horse ride, and boy have and boy having a green color school
Okay,
bag.
that's good. That's good, Asmara. Very
And
good. Good. Any other student who wants to describe it? So, Asmara perceive this picture as a girl. Okay. Is there any student, other student who? It's very well done. It's very good description, Asmara. Very nice. Okay. Any other student?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Hadia.
There is a boy. He wear his bag,
Hmm.
and a girl is on the horse,
Hmm.
right? And there are lots of trees and flowers.
Hmm. Very good.
There are green grass and the
Okay, Hadia, beta, very well done. We are just left with less than 1 minute. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. We'll have fun tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. Now, now we have to leave. Inshallah, inshallah. Because if is there any Nasreen wants to say something? Yes, Nasreen.
This is a boy, and this
Mhm.
is a girl. This is a greenery, green trees and flowers.
Very good. Okay. So, what do you think? Are the kids enjoying the holidays?